is today's video topic is inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. It is an important part of OOPS, object-oriented programming language system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class objects. Also, why use inheritance in Java? For method overriding, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability, terms used in inheritance. Class. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Subclass or child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called as derived class, extended class, or child class. Reusability as the superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a superclass subclass inherits the features. It is also called as base class or a parent class. Reusability, as the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. The syntax of Java inheritance. The extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. Program is an employee. Java inheritance example: employee, salary float, programmer bonus int. Types of inheritance in Java: Class A, Class B, single. Class A, Class B, Class C, multi-level. Class A, Class B, Class C, hierarchical. Class A, Class B, Class C, multiple. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, hybrid. Single inheritance example: when a class inherits other class, it is known as a single inheritance. Thank you.